Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to add a beautiful natural touch of elegance to your next dinner, I would definitely check out these amazing palm leaf plates from Chic. These plates are absolutely stunning in person, and the quality is next to none. I love the natural, beautiful vibe that they create at any style meal. This pack comes with 2 different size plates, a 10-inch plate and a 7-inch plate. I absolutely love the square design because I think it adds a really nice modern look to the table. One thing I just absolutely find so cool about these plates is that each of them is extremely unique, but together they fit perfectly. Each individual plate has its own natural pattern and texture. I was really impressed by how sturdy these plates are. They're extremely durable and can hold quite a bit of food, especially if you're hungry. This set of plates is perfect for large gatherings if you want to impress your guests, but they're also great just for everyday use. I love the look of these plates together on a table setting. Whether they're separate or stacked on top of one another, it just really elevates the look of the entire table. These palm leaf plates from Chic are not only durable and sturdy, but the natural beauty that comes out in each individual plate really just adds a natural, beautiful, and elegant vibe to any mealtime. But that's just my point of view.